What's happening? Welcome back. Welcome to a very windy Sheffield. I don't know why I'm doing the little... That's that vote from Starnagloss, isn't it?
Today is the day.
That's a little skip. We've got a bit of a video on the Caddy today. I was going to video putting it in, but I've been working late at night, and Chris only sorted it and then sent me a message to say he's done something pretty sick. One thing, if you want to do the zoom, come closer.
Bingo, bingo!
It was a very awful Asian accent. He's done a Mark 8 key. So these are available from Bellmans in Sheffield. Very nice, very heavy. Like, they feel substantial. But these are available if you've got like a Caddy. Anything with a key that's got the little LED in the top. So like a Mark 5, don't fit it. But like Mark 6, Caddy van and that. Mark 7, all fit it. So now they can supply them. If you want one sorting, let them know. That's the first thing. So he's put in, if you can guess, a Mark 8 GTD wheel. I've had to start it, so obviously the steering light comes up. So it's a heated Mark 8 steering wheel. And I've got some pictures somewhere of the actual heating element working, because Chris has got one of them snap-on heat, what are they called?
Thermal camera.
Thermal camera, thank you Zach. Zach is behind the camera.
Hello.
So we have, yeah, it's pretty sick actually. So is there anything that says it actually turns on? Obviously he's got his nice fancy dash. Obviously this is the Mark 8. It's got haptic touch, which is proper sick. So everything works. It's weird, like the haptic touch. Have you tried it, Zach? Yeah. It's weird, isn't it? Like it's half a button, but
yeah, it's
not.
Weird.
But it drives lovely with it. It feels nice. It's a lot thicker, girthier. Shouldn't have said that. There's some serious girth to the wheel. Obviously, sorry it's a bit of a mess in here. This is a working van. Obviously, Tom's car's off for mapping, so sorry that's not been announced yet. It's still being mapped. But yeah, I just thought I'd do a little video to show you this. If you want it fitting, they can offer it. It's done with a module. Chris can order the module, and you can fit it all, get it all nice and working.
It even comes with flappy pedals.
Yeah, so this one's come with flappy pedals, but obviously you've got to remember these Mark 8 wheels, a lot of them are automatic.
I don't think there is any manual Mark 8s, is
I
there?
don't think so, not like GTDs, and
No.
there might be like the basic ones might be, but not like a heated one. Obviously I think this is just the first one that come up. Obviously the Caddy, it's had a lot of updates in the interior. Like it's nice. Obviously you've got the carbon clocks that we had made, obviously to match mine, and then you've got the Mark 6 style heater controls. Very nice. It's just like, it's just gangster, innit, for a van.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, man.
Aircon, heated wheel, everything works. Like if there's no phone connected, but if I press the phone button,
right, I'll tell you what, you fat little cunt.
so that works. But yeah, it's gangster, this wheel. What do you reckon? One in Mark 7, in Mark 5, or shall I carry on? I've got a Mark 7 one, but I won't tell you which one I bought.
I know.
Yeah, Zach knows. So would you do this? Obviously this is available for the Mark 5.
Nah, stick with the one you got.
Stick that one, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see what the people decide. Let me know what you'd do. Let me know if you'd do the Mark 8 one. But other than that, we'll exit the vehicle. It's only a small video today. It's a bit of an update. Just want to say thank you.
More like an advertisement.
Obviously this is something that they can offer at Bellmans. And yeah, Mark 8 keys. As soon as they do one for a Mark 5, you'll know, because I'll have one. But we've just got to wait for one, because they need to be made. They're different. I've got a Mark 7 one and a Mark 5. So like an idiot, I bought one thinking, oh yeah, it'll fit, but they don't fit. So it's just me being an idiot as usual. But yeah, Caddy van, obviously we've got a KO4 kit ready to go on it.
All the way down
That's
there.
Jord. He's got a nice Mark 7. Might have to get that on the channel at some point.
What, when it's blown up?
It's not blown up, is it? It's not blown up. No, I don't think so. Nearly blown up. Yeah, KO4 to go in on this, that's coming. Obviously you've got Tom's Mark 2, which is being painted. Obviously you'll see why it's being painted in the video, but you might already know, might not. So Tom's Mark 7. If you want to go back and get your guesses in, we are running a competition.
You win a hoodie.
If you get the closest guess to what the BHP is on the car, on E, the highest amount it can make, on the final map, which is being mapped
Now,
right as we speak. So you've not got much time. Then you will win a free no messing hoodie. I am wearing one. If even I look good in one, and I'm a solid 3 out of 10, then you will look good in one too. I have got some new colours come in. So if you win one and you want to wait for a new colour, I will send you a sneak peek of the 3 new colours. So yeah, I just want to say thank you for watching. Book in with Tom and Chris. Get a sexy wheel in. Buy a new key. Treat yourselves. It's nearly Christmas.
it is. And
So-
make sure you hit like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, like, share and subscribe. Follow me, follow Tom, follow Zach, follow Zach's Airsoft channel if you want to see people get shot with BBs.
In the nuts.
Yeah, in the nuts. That's his specialty.
Nut
The
shot.
nut bunny. So, yeah, thank you for watching and we'll see you in a bit.